Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. In today's video, we will be discussing page number 48 of your maths book, and the topic of today's class is least common multiples, that is LCM. Page number 48, page number 48, and the topic is LCM. Okay, so in our last class we had discussed about multiples. What are multiples? Let us recall. Multiples are the numbers obtained by multiplying the given number by 1, 2, 3 and so on. So in today's video we will be discussing how we can calculate least common multiple of the given numbers. For example, here I am taking E part of question number 1, and the question is find the LCM of the following numbers by common multiples. So here E part is question number 1 E part is 4 and 9. Okay, so I have to calculate LCM of 4 and 9. Okay, so here firstly I will write multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. So what are the multiples of 4? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28. Okay, as we all know that we can have infinite multiples of any number. Okay, so here I am not writing more than this. Okay, we will first check whether we are getting common multiple here or not, and then we will move further. Clear? Now look over here. Multiples of 9. Okay, let us first complete it till 10. Okay, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36 and 4 tens are 40. So till 40 so we can write of all the numbers. Till 10 multiples of any number we can write easily. So I have written 10 multiples. Now we have to write multiples of 9. So we'll start writing 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. Now just stop here. Why? We can see here that if we check these numbers, we have got our multiple, common multiple over here, and that is 36. Yes? So 36 will be the least common multiple of 4 and 9, because if we write further multiples of 4 and 9 we may get more, we will definitely get more common multiples. But here we have to find the least common multiple. So the least will be the multiple which we have got very first. So here the very first multiple which we have got is 36. So 36 will be the LCM. So here we will write LCM of 4 and 9 is 36. Is it clear to you all? Let us discuss one more problem. Here I am taking K part of it. K part. And the K part is 4, 6 and 10. So here we have got 3 numbers. So you need not to worry कि अब 3 numbers हैं, so what we will do? We will follow the same process as we have done in E. So firstly I will write multiples of 4. So this is because it is the first number, I will write first 10 multiples of 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. I have written the first 10 multiples. Now I will write multiples of 6. So let me write again first 10 multiples of 6. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 16. So I have written 10 multiples. Now I will write multiples of 10. I am writing it here. Okay, multiples of 10. Multiples of 10. So if I start writing multiples of 10 will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Can you see something? Yes. Here in these two numbers we have got 60, but we have not got 60 over here in 40 in multiples of 4. So let us extend multiples of 4 and let us check whether we are getting any common multiple, means the multiple 60 over here or not. So for this we need to increase the multiples. So you have to check it. If you are not getting multiples in under 10 multiples, you have to proceed it further. Okay, so here I am proceeding it. If I continue it, it will be 44, then 48, then 52, then 56, and then 60. Okay, so we may have more, but here we have got our very first common multiple, and that is 60. So here we will encircle it. 60, 60 and 60. So LCM of 4, 6 and 10 is 60. See how easy is it is, isn't it? So in this way you can find out LCM of any given number, and the method is very easy. Firstly write down multiples of the numbers and then check for the common multiples. The common multiple which we will get at the very first time, that will be the least common multiple. Okay, and if you are not getting any common multiple, it means you need to further increase that multiplication table over here. Clear? Let us discuss more examples so that the concept will be more clear to you. Okay? Here I am going to discuss n part of it. Okay? Here in n part, the question is the numbers which are given 4, 5 and 10. Okay, so I have to find out LCM of 4, 5 and 10. Firstly, I will write multiples of 4. Okay, 4 is, we are getting 4 again and again. Multiples of 4. Okay, so again, as we have written many times, let us again write down 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. So I have written first 10 multiples of 4. Now we will write first 5 or 6, whatever, we will check and we will write multiples of 5 now. So multiples of 5. So multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Can you see here I have got 20. So I am not going to increase more than this. Okay. Now we have to write multiples of 10. So here I write multiples of 10. So multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30. Do I need to write more multiples over here? No, I will stop my process here just because I have got my very first common multiple, and that is 20. So LCM of 4, 5 and 10 is 20. Clear? I hope after discussing 3 questions of the same question, 3 parts of the same question, the concept, the process is clear to you, and you will be able to solve these questions. You will be able to calculate LCM on your own. Okay, so here I am going to discuss one more part, and that is O part of it. So what is given over here? Let us see. In O part, the digits which are given are 3, 6 and 9. Okay, so I have to calculate LCM of 3, 6 and 9. Let us see how we can do this. Here we will first write, as we are doing again and again, we will first write multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. So multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. I have written first 10 multiples of 3. Now we will write multiples of 6. Multiples of 6. So here 6 to the 12, 6 6 are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. So here I have written 10 multiples of 6. Okay. Now multiples of 9. So multiples of 9 are 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45. I have stopped here. Why? Because I have got the common numbers over here. But this 36 I am not observing in multiples of 3. So what do I need to do now? Yes, I have to increase this multiplication table further. After 30 I will get 33, and after 33 I will get 36. Okay, so what is the least common multiple which we have got here? Yes, it is 36. So LCM of 3, 6 and 9 is 36. I hope after discussing all these questions with you all, you will be able to calculate LCM of any given numbers. And the topic is very easy. Firstly, you will write the multiples and then you will search for the common multiples. Okay, as the definition suggests, the least common multiple. So the least common multiple is very easy to be searched. Okay. Now, after watching the video, you are supposed to solve the questions given on page number 48 of your maths book, and you have to do your work in good handwriting. Okay, and your work should be done in a neat way. After I will send you PDF of this work, so it will help you to solve the questions. That's all for today's class. Thanks for watching.